everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. Help me get to 800,000, that would be so dope. If you are watching this video and you are not subscribed, down below, scroll down, subscribe. Get this video to 10,000 thumbs up. Alright you guys, this first slime is called Easter Bunny Droppings. If you watched my DIY Easter Slime Challenge video with Sierra, I made this slime in it, and I asked you guys on my slime Instagram, Slimebyjacklyne, what I should call this slime, and you guys said Easter Bunny Droppings, so I said, heck yes. This is so nice. The base of this is incredibly thick. I don't even know, like this slime, I use my normal recipe, like it just has such a nice texture to it. It smells like Fruity Pebbles and it is so great. Like please get this slime in my restock. By the way, I restock at 1 p.m. Eastern time every Sunday, which I'm posting this video at noon Eastern time, so you have an hour to get ready, get your screens ready, get your cards ready, get all the stuff ready. And you guys, because it was such a amazing experience making the slime, I thought it would include a little process of the satisfaction of adding all the flown beads in the DIY process, because it was literally gorgeous to watch it come together. So yeah, here is that for you. Alright guys, this next slime is called Sprinkled Brownie Batter, and it is so creamy. You guys are going to love it. It's so great. And I added in some of these polymer sprinkles on the top of it. They're so pretty. This slime smells literally just like brownie batter, like the Betty Crocker brownie batter. Like it smells so good and it's so creamy. It is like the best feeling ever. I love this slime. It is just amazing. If you guys watched my Slimebyjacklyne Instagram videos, I was promoting this slime and I was like, this slime is so creamy, it's amazing. So yeah, I can't stop playing with it. Okay, this next slime kind of happened by accident. Shout out to my friend Joseph Anthony, Unicorn Slime Shop, for the name because I was at a loss. I originally made this as an apple scent with a green base with black foam beads. Then I noticed that a lot of the black foam beads were not, they were kind of like bleeding, so I added in some rainbow foam, and I'm calling it Toy Story cereal. My friend Joseph was like, it kind of reminds me of those like toy soldiers, so I was like, boom, shakalaka, Toy Story cereal. It smells just like apples. Honestly, this slime is so great. I'm not a huge green favorite color person, but it's really cute still, considering this went through a lot of process to like revamp it again, but I love this slime. I think it is amazing. And next we have Orange Sherbert Cloud Slime. I love Cloud Slime so much. It literally is such a cool texture, and this turned out so amazing. I'm honestly so surprised. It has a super soft base. Before I added in the instant snow, I made the slime super creamy and soft, which always makes the instant snow and the slime combine better and just feels so soft overall, and there's not as much ripping involved. This slime didn't rip at all, which I was so thankful for, and the fall is gorgeous. The color is orange, like it's just like reminds me of summertime. Like, it is April 1st right now, you guys. Summer is coming. I'm so excited. Please go grab one of these cloud slimes. I don't make cloud slime that much, but you guys always love it, so it's down below. Slime by Jacqueline on Etsy at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Heck yes. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my slime restock. If I should do more restocking videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Help me get to 800,000. That would be so cool to hit a new milestone. Yeah, guys, love you guys so much. I will have my Etsy shop down below. It's etsy.com/shop/Slimebyjacklyne. Go follow my two Instagrams, Nichole Jacklyne and Slimebyjacklyne. They are always linked down below for you guys. I have my Musical.ly, my Twitter, my Pinterest, my Snapchat, all those down below for you guys. And yeah, love you guys so much. I will I'll see you really soon with a new video. And yeah, I'm kind of, if you are still on the video right now, comment down below if you were on spring break. I want to post a ton of videos this week because if you're on spring break, you'll watch the videos. And yeah, okay, bye guys.